Leadership in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Grayson County in north central Texas until 3 p.m. At 1:56 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Dorchester, or 9 miles south of Sherman, moving north at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: ping-pong ball-size hail with 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sherman, Denison, Van Alstyne, Howell, Pottsboro, Whitewright, Gunter, Bells, Tombeen, Savoy, Wood, Dorchester, Eisenhower State Park, Southeastern Lake Texoma, South Maiden, and Willett. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 6 p.m. for north central Texas.